Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Students, today we are going to do work in our cursive workbook 4. Please open your cursive workbook 4. In your book today we are going to do exercise given on page number 4040, which is regarding joining the letters S and X. Write the joining letters you have been given here. Small cursive S, you've been joining them, small cursive T, and so on till X. So we'll be doing it as you can see over here. Let's start doing it. First form a small cursive S like this, then join it with the second one, then do it one more time like this, and in the same way you are going to do it below this again and again. Like I have mentioned it earlier, you should use a sharp pointed pencil and in a very neat and tidy way do your work. So like this we have completed joining of small cursive S. Now after this is small cursive T. Goes from the first T like this, then we'll join the rest of them like this, and in a very neat and tidy way you are going to complete it. We'll form the first T like this. Okay, after that you make the second one, then again join it with the third one, and then the fourth one. Okay, now after we have completed this small cursive S and small cursive T joining with each other, the next after this we have to do small cursive U, right? And please do not do your work in a hurry, do it in a very neat and tidy way. Now this is joining of small cursive U. First of all you will form the first U like this, then join it with the second one, then form the third one, and then form the fourth one like this. One more time, start with the first one, the second, third one, and the fourth one. And like this we have completed joining of small cursive U. Okay, now come on to the next one, which is small cursive V. Form the first V like this, then join it again like this, then the third one, and then the fourth one. Do it one more time. From the first V like this, join with the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. First, second, third, and fourth. Okay, next is W. From the W like this, form the second one, then the third one, and then the fourth one like this. We will form a small cursive W, the second one, then the third one, and then the fourth one. Okay, then comes the last letter, which is X. Form the small cursive X like this, then join it with the second one like this, then the third one like this. Okay, then with the fourth one you form the small cursive X. So this is how you're going to complete it given on page number 4040. The next page, which is page number 4141, you'll be doing it as your homework. That was all for the day, students. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.